get it?
She's a little sidetracked.
Uh-oh. Yeah, all that's gonna come off. All that's gonna come off the table. We got a whole nother level of securing to do. Go to Daddy. Go give Daddy a kiss. Go give Daddy a kiss. Go give Daddy a kiss. Oh, drunk there in the dirt. What you? All right. Did you get it?
Mhm.
All right. All right.